guys? It's Aaron. For the love of tech. You're here because you love tech. I'm here because I love tech. And more importantly, I am here because this is my first ever surprise mystery box. That's right, I got a mystery box. And another mystery is my Swiss Army knife is missing. So if you're out there and you're like, Aaron, I love your content so much, I'm going to go and buy you a Swiss Army knife and mail it to you, just let me know. I'll send you my mailing address for the business and you can send me a Swiss Army knife. But until that happens, I got my scissors. Now, this is a mystery box, which means I don't know what's in it. You don't know what's in it. And right now you're probably thinking, you're watching at home, you're going to say, just open the box already. I'm opening the box. They actually did ask me if they could send it to me, and I completely forgot. But today, it's a complete mystery. Oof. Okay. I'm not making it up. Oh. Mystery box from Ringke. Mystery box from Ringke. Not even kidding. They actually put a mystery box from Ringke in this little card, which is pretty cool. So here we go. Thank you guys. Big giant shout out. All right, let's go ahead and check out the mystery box. It's a box of mystery. We know who it's from now. And they did. They sent me all sorts of stuff. Thank you for opening this box and solving the mystery. Ooh. All items are chosen at random because we love surprises, and you probably do too. Finally got to do that thing you wanted. Awesome. Or maybe you got something not your style. Somebody probably wants it. All in all, we had fun curtailing this box for you. We hope you enjoy its contents. Always wishing you well, Ringke. What is this? Ringke CD slot 2-in-1 clamp and magnetic car mount. Well, this looks super cool. Okay. Wow. So let's go ahead and take a look at a couple of these cool things that they sent. Here we go. It is a USB to a USB-C cable. Wow. This is like rope. It feels sturdy. It looks amazing. It comes with built-in cord management, which you absolutely have to love that. I mean, cords can be so messy, and the fact that they're actually thinking about that, it's pretty cool. I'm going to go ahead and totally link in the description every single one of these items for you guys so you can check it out and you can enjoy it and you can buy it. And this is pretty good. They sent me a cord pouch from what I can gather for it. So I can put all sorts of stuff in here. I can put SD cards. I can put other little camera gears. I can put all of my cables that's currently in my book bag. See, they give us a little sticker, a little thing here, kind of like an idea, some suggestions like, hey, you put this stuff in this pouch. So that's pretty cool. Definitely dig the pouch. Premium microfiber cloths. These are mandatory in any studio, in any home office, in the car, anywhere. And this isn't just like a little microfiber cloth. This is a big microfiber cloth. Like, this is for the iPad Pro. Wow. Peekaboo! Or you can play peekaboo with it. How about that? This is great for phones. Look at that. It's the best microfiber cloth for doing unboxings and stuff and cleaning phones really quick. Ringke, super awesome. You will forever get shout outs in my video for this cloth. And came with two. Thank you guys. I really, really appreciate that. This is like all stuff that I need and I use. So I think it's great. Next, we're going on to the iPhone 11 cases. Oh, look, I have to clean my phone to be in this beautiful video. I have this giant microfiber cloth right here that I can just clean up my phone on both sides at the same time. So Ringke may be trolling me right now that I think about it. And maybe they've seen a couple videos with my iPads or my computer in it where there's like tons of horrible smudge marks and fingerprints. And they're like, hey guy, you need this. Maybe they're trolling me. Maybe they're not. So let's go ahead and rip open this case. So here is a nice, slim, sleek case. Says here on the side, shock absorption technology. So this goes on pretty good. Buttons are pretty snappy. Nice for the cutouts, nice and slim. And it still lets you see the cool color of whatever iPhone you have. I've got the boring space gray. Moving on to the next one. Okay, so here is the other one. So let's take a look at this. This one seems to have a little bit more protection on the edges, a little bit more grip than the one before. The buttons are just as good. Green's not my color. If I had green eyes, green would be my color, but I don't. I have blue eyes, so blue or clear is usually the color that I like to go for. But this case, it's nice, you know. Pliable, but it's not too tough. When they're too tough, it's hard to go on and hard to go off. So I like it. Ringke, I like your style, and thank you very much for sending me these wonderful gifts. I'm going to go ahead and put some links in the description. Guys, if you're new here to the channel and you like what you saw today, and maybe you want to see more, or maybe you just want to see more of me, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the notification bell. If you really liked the video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to pay me the ultimate compliment and share my content with your friends and family on your social media. Guys, this is Aaron for the Love of Tech. Until next time, namaste.